Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are fine and safe. So in this video we are going to see the solution of unit number 4, A Truly Beautiful Mind, and it is written by Isaac Asimov. So A, read the following passages and select the most appropriate answers for the questions given below them. So first of all I am going to read the passage and then we will find out the answers for the questions given below. So number 1, he also felt a special interest in a fellow student, Mileva Merrick, whom he found to be a clever creature. This young Serb had come to Switzerland because the university in Zurich was one of the few in Europe where women could get degrees. Einstein saw in her an ally against the Philistines, those people in his family and at the university with whom he was constantly at odds. So now questions are: Mileva Merrick hailed from dash. The correct option is C, Serbia. Number 2, Mileva came to Switzerland to. The correct option is B, get her degrees. Get her degree. Number 3, Einstein had a special dislike for dash people. The correct option is C, Philistines. Number 4, the phrase at odds means. The correct option is A, in disagreement. Now, para number 2, I'm going to read the paragraph first, then we will see the answers of the questions given below. So, para number 2, at the urging of a colleague, Einstein wrote a letter to the American president, Franklin D. Roosevelt, on 2nd of August 1939, in which he warned a single bomb of this type exploded in a port might very well destroy the whole port together with some of the surrounding territory. His words did not fail to have an effect. The Americans developed the atomic bomb in a secret project of their own and dropped it on the Japanese cities on Hiroshima and Nagasaki in August 1945. Einstein was deeply shaken by the extent of the destruction. This time he wrote a public missive to the United Nations. In it he proposed the formation of a world government. Unlike the letter of Roosevelt, this one made no impact. But over the next decade, Einstein got ever more involved in politics, agitating for an end of the arms build-up and using his popularity to campaign for peace and democracy. Now, let's see the questions. Number 1, what made Einstein write a letter to the American president? The correct option is C, his colleague urged him to do so. Number 2, what was the effect of Einstein's letter on the president? The correct option is A, Americans developed the atomic bomb in a secret project. Number 3, what was the subject of Einstein's letter to the United Nations? The correct option is B, to form a world government. Now, next question. The motive of Einstein's involvement in politics was. The correct option is D, both A and B. Now, we will see next question. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions in 4 to 5 sentences each. So, question number 1 is, why did the people call Einstein a world citizen? So, your answer is, the people called Einstein a world citizen because of his efforts toward world peace and democracy and was agitated against arms and bombs, especially after the bombing of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Now, question number 2. Why did Albert Einstein leave his school? Your answer is, Albert Einstein left his school because he was not very happy with the education system. He was not happy with the education system. He was not at ease with the strict regimentation of the school. He felt suffocated, because of which he had to leave school. Now, question number 3. Why did Einstein hate school? Your answer is, he hated school regimentation because of its extreme sense of discipline. He felt tired and suffocated with this atmosphere. He often clashed with his teachers. Now, question number 4. Why did Einstein write a letter to Franklin Roosevelt? Or why did Einstein write a letter to the American President Roosevelt? Your answer is Einstein wrote a letter to the American President Franklin Roosevelt when the Nazis came to power in Germany and he had to migrate from there. The discovery of nuclear fission in Germany made the American physicists upset that the Nazis could build and use an atom bomb. Now, question number 5. How was Einstein's private life unraveling after he finished his studies? So, your answer is he had wanted to marry Mileva Merrick, but his mother was against it. She thought Mileva was 3 years older than her son and too intelligent for him. Now, let's move to another question. Question number 6. What did Einstein call his desk drawer at the patent office and why? So your answer is Einstein called his desk drawer at the patent office the Bureau of Theoretical Physics because he was working as a technical expert in the patent office in Bern where he was supposed to be assessing other people's inventions. Now, question number 7. How did Einstein react to the bombing of Hiroshima and Nagasaki? So your answer is Einstein was shocked at the extent of destruction caused by the bombing of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. He wrote a long letter to the United Nations and suggested that there should be a world government. So this was the solution of the prose part. एंड इस वीडियो में इतना ही. इफ़ यू हैव एनी डाउट, क्वेरी और सजेशन, लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. आई विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो with the vocabulary and grammar part of the chapter number 4. Till then, bye bye, take care.